In today's trade of the day, we are looking at the S&P 500 over here in the futures market, and as you can see, the market's rebounding off of that first drop, and it's coming back through that Fibonacci sweet spot. You can see this Fibonacci neutral zone, which is the price bars have been turned yellow by the indicator I'm using, which gives me the ability to place my Fibonacci ruler over the top of that chart, putting the Fibonacci sweet spot, or what I call the neutral zone, between 38.2 and 61.8, right over the top of those yellow bars. Now that gives me a projection of the B point, which is 4207, which is where I anticipate the market going. Now, I do take a loss here. As you can see, I'm taking a short position because I have a reversal tool, a trend line tool that puts me in the market short if the market breaks lower. So I'm anticipating at this point, well, we're not going to make it all the way up to 4207. The market's breaking my trend line and it's starting to fall, so it put me into the market with 2 contracts short. And we're waiting for the market to fall now and come back down into that Fibonacci sweet spot or into the neutral zone somewhere around 61.8, and that would be a nice profit for me. But as that market hesitates and doesn't go, it doesn't move, it starts to rebound and starts to go back up. And as it does that, I get another arrow that indicates that we did the right thing. The market's starting to should follow with this new RSI arrow, but I get stopped out. I immediately get stopped out. Now, the lesson that I want to teach here is that if the market doesn't immediately move in your favor, once you get triggered for an entry, don't stay in that thing if it starts moving against you. There's no reason to continue to take losses or let that market move against you. The best trades that I've ever had are ones where the market immediately, if I get triggered for entry, goes immediately in my favor and I stay profitable. If it goes back and starts backing off against me, I generally take a loss on those trades. So there's no reason to hang on to them, just get out. You can always take another position later. Now, as you can see, this market did come along later and give me another pattern, almost the exact same setup as what we saw before, and this time it did drop immediately in my favor. It did reverse for a nice $250 move. Now, if you would like to learn how to trade like this, just swing by my bio and look at my link tree. I've got a number of resources for you to get started.